They told you to set realistic goals, but what if that's the reason you're stuck? Ever set a goal only to lose steam after a few weeks? You're not alone. Most people choose goals that they think they should achieve rather than the ones that truly excite them. The problem isn't you, it's your approach. If your goals don't light fire inside of you, they're not big enough. Take Elon Musk, for example. Love him or hate him, his goals are massive. Colonizing Mars, revolutionizing the automotive industry. These aren't just goals, they're missions. And that's why they work. Musk doesn't rely on willpower. His goals naturally drive him forward. So, what's the big idea here? Your goals should excite you and challenge you. Most people set safe goals, ones that they know they can achieve. But true transformation comes from setting goals that scare and excite you at the same time. Here's how to do it. Secret number one, set goals that light you up. A goal that doesn't excite you is a goal you won't stick with. If your goal doesn't make you jump out of bed in the morning, it's not strong enough. Ask yourself, if I couldn't fail, what would I aim for? Write it down. That's the goal that you need to chase. Secret number two, make your goals crystal clear. Vague goals produce vague results. Instead of saying, I want to get in shape, say, I will work out 4 times a week and lose 10 pounds by June 1st. Take one of your current goals and rewrite it using specific, measurable terms. Secret number three, attach a deadline and why. A goal without a deadline is just a wish. A goal without a deep emotional reason is easy to abandon. Assign a deadline to your goal and write down 3 reasons why achieving it is a must for you. Your future is waiting. Goals shape your destiny. The right goals will transform your mindset, habits, and daily actions. Are you ready to set goals that pull you toward the life that you desire? Drop the biggest goal in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you're working toward. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a push towards their dreams. Talk soon.